them big money too. All them big. All them are weird for you down here.
Yes, my beautiful people, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yes, my people, we are going we're up on the seaside this morning. We say, yo, the bait them in a run where we use catch stop on. But guys, honestly, we catch a late, very late, man, very late. So guess what now, guys? Yo, you look what we have here do. We have here crash out the sun. We have here crash out the sun to see if we find a couple bait. You understand? So you go and catch out the Sunday, guys. We are on some bait. We are going to try a little thing. We know so we're late. But
yeah, we need to link up.
Yeah, man, but better late than never, guys. So we still are going to try something today, guys. So we are on some bait with the yard. Say we can hunt two baits. Say we can catch one top on today, guys. We don't know it possibly will work out. But I tell you honestly, guys, too me late. Me left everything. Me left even the camera stand. You understand? But we still have to go on, see what we can find. Yeah, man. See if you can see yellow, we couldn't go and watch yellow. Alright, see what I seen there? So, guys, what we are going to do now? We are going to go and hunt some bait. Yellow, which part me did it? I hunt. You that one part of me dig up some man and bury them back. You know, see them? You want to see them, man? They dig up some nice man and some good. See them? Yeah, man. And then they so. Yellow, I say, can't throw them up and walk with the bucket. Because they have to teeth in our way. Yeah, man, take them up, take them up. Anything can do to the water. Anything at all. Yes, guys. Yes, guys, so we are on some bait. We are going on some bait.
Hey, man, talk to your boat.
My boat.
Talk to your boat. Don't shit you say no. Let's go see shit in my mouth.
Hey, you can't help that.
If you shit in your mouth, you can't do no more than yellow.
Yeah, we don't take the shit in our mouth.
Why like a pelican shit?
Yeah, all the crab them guys, you have to use all the crab them, chop them up and... Why guys? Why I get to get a boat ride in and drop you off down here so. You see time we have to give thanks to the brother them. Yeah man. You have to give thanks to them brother them left down here so guys. Honestly. Yeah man, me appreciate it man. Enough love and respect man. You see it? So, well, guys we are on bait you know.
Hey!
Anything possible today.
You hear me say left on here so?
Why? You don't about them at war. So why you want about them at war? Eh?
I'm not trouble me.
So they say you come and thief them food.
Then none of them enough. You have to learn to share.
So alright guys, you know, stay tuned, remember. Short man, little dragon adventure. Alongside yellow. Yes guys, we out here today. I go try to do something. So yeah man, bless up on yourself. Enough love and respect. Alright? People, watch out go and see there. Get family line up. Yeah man, yellow they are fixing himself. I know I'm do to himself, but guys, I go throw for my first line. So I go on. Yeah. If what you say I go to go do?
I go to go chicken and chop it.
You say about people. You say about chicken tap and chop him. I don't know how you do that still, you know. But I go fishing out of them. Guys, I don't promise you no say we are catch none today. But in God we trust. You understand people? So we just have to try a thing because we catch an extra late, guys. When I say extra late, I mean extra late. Not even bait you could even find. But still I go try something. They say nothing beat a trial but a failure. So well, I go dash out for me line you know. See where can go on for me. So I just stay tuned guys. Catch me. I do a little thing out here. Yeah man, hopefully can find something. Alright, line away, guys. Yeah, line away. Line away. Yes guys, welcome back. I want to show you something. If you remember the day when time we landed them, come and see when me hook it up and the line when me have. Watch out guys. Watch out. Find back the line, you know. The line when boss fan me there. See the guys. Find the back, you know. Yeah man, see me find the back. See line here. See that. See line and the hook them here. See them here. Yeah man, see the guys. I say I can't come out of the shade, I can't see it. See line, see hook here. See it here. Find the back guys. Hey, the entire top and bossy. See there. I'm gonna say I can't pull out it guys. So I there go and pull out it a little bit. So yellow the way up, so guys I try a thing see me walk and look on here so. If you see if this fish part we could have get some more bait or say we see no sign I tap on them guys. But you like a further down you see man them in a catch. You see it? Guys, everybody can want tap on there so guys. Man, this is something just turn out. It's a look while I don't know if I know. Around big fish turn there, but we see a little movement out there so look while guys. Honestly. We saw movements out there so. Just a while ago. Man. But you know like I know you so then draw still you know. But I can further down a little more. But we know so then do one up there so. One up at top there so. And one down there so but I don't know further down. But I don't know right there so do. But I just want turning right there so I don't know what turn there. But hopefully I tap on them and would mind and hope them go. You understand? But guys, you know, stay tuned now to take up the line here and then head up back to this part yellow there. Alright? Blessing. Boy guys, I don't tell you. A long time I don't see water clean so. Honestly. Yeah man. Water look good. Water clean. Yeah man, surely I don't want to make a jump off and go make a dive. You understand? But I say I don't know if I river water clear up. Yes or so. But when I go back up, we see the difference in our water. If I river water clean up it. So but we will stay tuned guys. Yeah. So guys, here we go now. Yeah man, I'm going to try see if I can get some bait. Cut up. Yeah man, so we do it. Chop them up fine. Understand? Bait up the water. So we can get the water raw up. You understand? So chop them up fine. Throw out you out there. So guys, me just try something today in idea because I'm not going to tell you say yo it might work out but in God we trust. Yeah man, so bait not enough. Enough bait not did if you call them like that and me don't know how much bait out in the water from morning, you understand? Because I'm there from early to see how it will work out or what. But still try something. Whether we catch or we not catch. You understand guys? It's all about that. Yeah, man. See yellow down there so. Hey, I say guys I want one bite because I want to get a whole half of one. And if we not catch him guys, I want to get a bite. I want one island get a bite because I want yellow get a whole half of one.
No, worry about me. Me I catch me today.
See, I want them come and one island get a bite.
Me a pop big drop line in a finger fish today.
Man say you want a mark on your hands sir.
Yeah, want tattoo man.
Yeah man, everybody have a mark and I tell you what it feel like. Say you want to have feelings too sir.
You want a trademark today.
So guys here man, cut up some bait. The bait of water. Hopefully. I'm not sure what I see, but I see one turn out the guys. I'm not sure. When I'm down there, I take up the hook when I tell you say, yo, when you get it from one tap and from feel how long now. to show you guys. And still box out the hook all low in bust the line, you know.
Yeah, man. By the time you feed them with too much, they never want to eat.
Nah, man, this is at least to them, man. Then, alright. If you see amount, we might be go back out there, you see? You don't wonder if you throw no more bait out there. This is nothing. Right, if you tap on and come right here, yellow.
A one feed, not
A one feed that feed less than one. This I can't feed one. So guys, see there we have 3 line out there. Right. 3, we don't work no more than 3.
Right, because alone,
you understand? Just 3 no more line we have work out there today, guys. Hopefully, I got dash out some bait. I don't know what can go on through it. So I just pray for we. While we pray for ourselves, to catch one tap on. Today. Back a camera me there today. Oh yellow, you make up all fire. How you go roast blackboard?
A tap on.
Oh okay.
I want a scale.
Okay, alright. Yeah man. The man say my roast tap and scale, you know guys. Tap and scale. Yeah? Alright. But see there. Yeah man, I see something flick up out there look while guys. I see something flick up out there look while. I see something flick up. But I'm not sure about, but I see something flick up. So I go bait up water, you know guys. Yeah man. I get some of them bait I go throw there. You got that some bait out there guys. Car. Yeah man, I see one flick up out there look while. Honestly, I see it now. I don't know what flick up, but I see something flick up out there. So I go bait up water. Yeah man, I go bait up the water now. Yeah. Yeah guys. Honestly, I don't see no bait out here. No bait out in the water. Normally that's some bait out in the water. The water so clean, you boat them. See there? See there? Yes guys, this is something right out there. This is something right out there so while guys. This is something torn right out there so just make sure you bait. You see what I talk about guys, so water clean, watch it. See about them there. You see about them? See about them there. The boat them are bam rushy. You see it? Boat them are rushy guys. But it looks so. It like a beer about me a feed. So guys, just stay tuned. Right now though. People, no one try to go out.
Lucky back.
They man are adventurous.
Hey, watch out now. You know, I come a bush go dead if you hungry. I cook a little pot. I cook my fish. See what you're doing. Lucky back.
Yeah.
Let me fish go and cook.
People, and them man is a survivor.
Oh yeah, so man, watch out now. Fish them now and for me today, but me and them want fish today.
Guys.
Hey, me don't want to boil over in a stove. Catch it pot, cover.
Yes.
Catch it cover. You know what it for you. A big fish that any fish where you see tail hang out a big.
Yeah, sir. Hang over a pot.
No matter the size, as long as the tail hang off a big fish.
Yeah? As long as the tail hang over a pot, no matter what kind of pot you are cooking.
So already, I don't want to know baby.
Yeah?
Jesus Christ. It's too over and turn down one.
Fire high.
Yeah, to boil over.
No wrong with it, man.
But you know, tasty.
See there, even? Man, I cook in a plastic buckle. Steam fish in a plastic buckle.
Yeah,
oi, oi.
That's how I go to work, man. I can't dead for hungry, I eat that. So I go to work.
Yeah? Man, I go to work, brother. So, yellow. So you come bush with this side to stay, to live.
Of course.
Yeah, alright. No wrong with that. No wrong with that. It's all about survivor.
You
not true.
always want dead for hungry, you know. I don't play that, you know. We have a journey to go, so you have to make sure you sit in the stomach.
Remember, I know something you want in the stomach. And water you want in the system. It's not the stomach a problem. And water, when the sun starts pelting up on the seaside, we go up. Well guys, nah man, we don't have to worry man, the seaside we are walk on.
No, man,
if I through the hill.
The taxi, one taxi up there, so, you know.
Yeah, the taxi now moving today. So you can't stand there.
Taxi up on the road.
It looks so. Alright guys, still there man, active. Outside I look out of our eye. I look out of our face. Hoping to see a sign. But you know, like no sign I go on today, boy. I don't know if I should because we come extra late, guys.
Not even stop sign.
When we mean extra late, we mean we extra late. Extra, that means that when we are come down here, so the boat already reach Pani see there.
The boat already go back home.
The boat already reach Pani beach. You see it? And normally with there, so I help them out. You understand? You get your bait. Why? I know. So I go to the still. One day them man, but still active. Still there. Look at how we are, hopefully we got a little bit of bait, so we still try to go and bait for water. Now bait up as good as possible and best as possible, but we still do it. So I want to just stay tuned, guys. Yeah, man. I'm there, yellow. I'm there.
Let me breakfast, brother. Nice, huh? One piece. Tasty boy.
Tastes like sardine, no joke. Eh?
One tasty boy. Pinch off a little piece.
So,
Not dig it so deep.
No say nothing bad. You know something you have fresh there?
That's if you do boy.
You know something you have a chop of shoot now water there. Now get no fish, eh?
Yeah, that's so very nice. Pot there and have worry yourself, you know, me a pot.
I see me just go to back level, can get a bigger pot out of it, eh? Be the water look well now, watch it. The bottom up pick out everything. Right there. Right there. Yeah. Right there. Today. Can't catch no, you wouldn't catch a fish today, see there. Go there. Watch it. But then go with every bait when me throw the look well. There. Water too clean here so. But then take everything, guys. Just be the water look wild. But then go with everything, man. Yeah, talk to them, but they not hear nothing what we say. They not take no talk, master. So, guys, what am I going to do now? I'll pack up a little bag. Go up and see if we can find something else to match up. You understand? That's true, yellow. What do you say?
Yeah, then we have to go finish your work.
And we have one journey we got to take on, guys, because you know, say, yo, a good amount of walking, you know. Foot back, I go crack up. You feel so?
Yeah?
Foot back, go crack.
No, you're picking up my boat up.
The boat is not moving today. So it only depends on the boat. Eh? Oh. Those boats are all get up on them, but where the boat come from? How the boat get you up? How you like you know see?
Transport, that's how you on the road.
Yes, he just gone in today. Watch your man look good, guys. Watch it, wanna watch it. Eh? Watch it. Well, I'm going to pack up his name first before you take up the line, man. Pack up his name, make the line last if you take up, man. Yeah? I'll look up yet, man. Eh? I'm looking for you to the boat, them. You hungry? You know, just see any fish look wild.
Jet blue, them, you know? I call them, call.
Today. Sorry, I didn't catch him for early. Today.
I hope they for them all land. I don't like this as sticker. A JFK. A JFK.
So yes, guys. Bye. We are chatting, you know, guys, guys. Our hungry days. No tap on now. What tap on now move? Guys, see what going on, man? The water too clean, honestly. The water too clean. We bought them and they have to whole like bait. So you not get no fish not get no chance to come in. Smell, you know, rawness and all and sitting there to come in. But the man have to whole like bait. Bye. See you, Take time I go in there too. So hello. Oh, me want to have so much load and you know nothing. Oh, a bossy boy thing. It's alright. People. Man say want somebody to carry him. This guy so. Man, we are going here now, guys. Yeah. Eh? I don't know if I foot that, man. I'm gonna walk with them, my foot there. I see everybody there running now, guys. And it's, you see, Tony, guys, watch out. They're tapping a quicksand. Watch it. May I sink. Hey, I have some quicksand there. Guys, may I sink. Oh, yes. What a pretty though. Yeah, man. What a pretty and nice. But you guys, cold though, you know? When we say cold, it's cold, guys. So what they come like a icy night. Man. Yeah. Anyway, guys. I go up back. Go see if we can match up something else add to this. You understand me? I don't know where we can go put with it. Ah, be a stony night, man. I don't know we can go put with it. You see it? So, I'm going to stay tuned, guys. Catch it on the way going up. Yeah, man. Any little thing we can catch on the hillside. Make us see. Alright, so stay tuned. Yeah, man. Just cross River Jordan. River Jordan, we cross? Oh. Yeah, that's the River Nile. And it's low, you know? Watch it, go drop. You drop weird though. But if you don't got your glass now, you could have go look one crab. I'm a glass and bag, you know? Yeah. Then, so how me and you got a crab bush with knife? So you know, could I use the knife to stab them? Eh? Alright, guys. Yeah. See crab there, guys. See the camera gonna see. See the camera gonna see. See my come right along, see me? See me? Watch it. Watch it. See me?
I'll film them, left them.
Why you left the fire? If you ain't got so far from the fire, I could have stabbed him, you know?
With these.
Eh? Could have cut one stick. And do here one cut stick. Eh? Put it across him back. And hold him down and you take him up.
Me take him up.
Eh? Nothing wrong with that.
And when you lash me now, you ball out.
No, sir. Me not laugh. Mommy don't say, hold that. Yeah, no.
Go there and set my kitchen.
I'm if you tell you,
A long time I use a kitchen here now.
you see too. Why people call them do the kitchen?
Yeah.
That's so. And so when you left your kitchen open, and that will happen to you.
Next time.
You say when you left out, you have to lock your kitchen, brother.
And carry tea.
I don't take tell you. Alright, guys, we are go in here now, so now stay tuned.
I open there's a Godzilla live. Then I come for
In come out.
no, in a car food.
Oh, a piece of deck in here. Hello, say a piece of deck in here, no gas good, guys. When we kiss and move from there, sir. Hey, I don't put a party like it a crack way.
You hear me tell you, never watch Final Destination.
Hey, boy, go down where you go. I don't talk about the scene in here, so. Eh?
You watch Final Destination.
No, me don't watch them show there, brother.
Come, that's okay.
Me don't watch them show there. Yes, guys, we are going on one part where the land did get for slide, you know. Yeah, man, I couldn't see it right here. Right here, so no safe, you know. Honestly, see all the look on them part there. See they? See them crack the way I crack off. Yeah, man. See piece away. we get to a seat in front of with it. Eh? Nice. Them place are not so safe. And the amount of stone that you came get for run off. Eh? You came get for run away. Eh? Eh? But yellow, you prefer Tony jump out of your foot, you know, than that jump on me, you know. Eh? Hey, yellow. At what time them will get to dig me out and find me? Eh? If you even do catch up, you see? You go tell them say you walk and when you look back at you don't see me. Eh?
I hide me.
I'll kill you dead eye and see me and you play. See the guys at it. How do you this, you know? Yeah man, how do you this? This I take for himself. But I found one place where I can walk round it. Man, see there. And that little piece there, so now. No, they're too far from slide after, you know. Eh? Eh? Taxi. You think you get the taxi? See the guys, whole of you saying walkway, you know. See there? See there, watch it. Slide off. The man I see a piece here. Not the far from slide too. So, right now, you have to be careful how you walk. You have to walk and look up. Come on. And little boat there, go on fishing.
Make it taxi left with that.
They're not done fishing. They're still fishing, man. They must set off back again. Yo, we catch some mess me alright, you know. Can't no fast.
Want to talk about taxi again.
See the guys, see there. Look on that little piece. You see it? See it? I just try to find the phone. I not use. At least you know, could I see it a little better, but.
Hey, you know, so we can go up there, go kick off a little piece.
What you say you can go do?
Right now, we can go up there, go kick off a little piece.
I believe you, no? You think I don't believe you? Yes. Go along, Superman. Superman come now. Go on, see there.
Oh, I'm a chosen one.
See the guys. Any little thing. He gone again. But me passed it. Me passed this already. So, alright guys, yeah. We are heading same way, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we are chat same way. Oh, yes. Alright. Big up you. Yeah, man, I see you back there, man.
They let him out already, though.
Ah, he looks so. You get it? How a Rasta boy. God, guys. A crab. A trustani crab. A trustani crab. You know, I did it for the movie. Yes, guys. That's what going on now. Out in the rain, reach back home. Yeah, man, reach back home. Out in the rain. Guys, no catch no fish, but maybe have some on fridge. See them there? Yeah, man. So guess what going on now, guys? I go clip them. Yeah, man, I clip them. Yeah, man, nice perch, you know, truth. Yeah, man, nice perch. Yeah, man, clip the perch, eh? Yeah, man. See me have so nice mullet there too. Yeah, man, oh, you in a fall though, guys, I tremble. But guys, I clip them, yeah. I don't know what I do with them yet. I don't know if I just fry them or I just steam them. I don't know yet. But when I make up my mind, guys, tell them what I do. But see the gate, guys, rain active outside me there. Active rain. In a rain, guys. Yeah, man, at least I finish up that video, yeah. Yeah, man, now I make the day done. I'm gonna finish it. So, yeah, man, I'll give you something to watch, guys. So, I'm gonna stay tuned. Watch what I go on. Rain and fall. Start now, look at that, man. Active staying away. Yes, the man. So, yes, guys. Yeah, man. See fish them there? Yeah, man. So you know how going after what you know, so you know so season, we have a season now. Yeah, man, and guys, we have some little lobster here. Little lobster, man. We gotta just deal with them. We gotta do some curry french fry lobster. Lobster tail. Curry french fry lobster tail. Yeah, man. Maybe me just I wonder if we just french fry fish them too. Yeah, and just go ahead with beer french fry. But me just alright, me just stick to the plan, guys. Now fry the fish, make it pickle. Alright, so me just do some fried fish with some pickle. Alright, yeah, man. But me I go curry french fry them lobster tail. Yeah, man. So see me season them, guys. Yeah, man. I want me season them, so. So me season them, I go use both fish and lobster. So guys, I'm gonna stay tuned. Yeah man, and catch me when I season it up. So stay tuned guys. So right now guys, what I do, I get all of my seasons that I use, throw them out now this. You understand? Throw them out now this. Yeah, just a little bit. Just a little bit of them. Not too many. You understand? Not too many. All I want to know if you cook already. I don't know. I don't know the settings. I don't know the season them already. Yeah. Now just know what who don't really know if you cook. Because you have some people can cook more than some. So. Alright. So all of that. All of this I know. Shake well. Guys, you could have put the fish in the water, season the water and put the fish in it, but that would give a better job pan outside and the wood fire. You understand? It will give a better job. You understand? Rain fall hard guys, rain fall hard. So, I'm going to deal with this now. This, I have to season up the fish them. So, what I'm going to do now, just get the fish them. Come right just beside of me. Then I can't move for now. Then I can't move for now. So we just get the fish to the right side of me. You understand? So you must say, I'm going to stick a little, yeah, inside. Rub it inside. So a little, yeah. Just wipe it inner the inside. You know, we give them a core on the inside. Yeah. You don't want to rub too much season on the outside now because the season at 10 feet. Burn the fish. Let the fish then burn up quick. That's why most time we use the water. So when you use the water now, the season the whole entire fish. The water soak in a fish or in a part when you slice and all them, so the season water soak in that. But anyway, leave that for next time guys. So we just go on do this. It's alright guys, you just stay tuned. Yeah man, just stay tuned guys. So, alright guys. Yeah, me done with the fish. So I'm going to move to the lobster. So you know the lobster don't need no water season on it. Just a little tubes. You understand? See there? Just one little tubes. That's all them need on them. Just a little tubes. Not too many. Because you don't want them for. Because lobster easy for salt, you know. Just a little tubes over it. You understand? So, nobody asks where. Oh, no see curry yet. No worry yourself, the curry soon come. Curry soon come guys. Alright. Yeah. So that you will do. Yeah, just a little tip of season over the lobster. You don't need too much. Don't need too much. Guys, yeah man, don't do the lobster. Don't season the lobster, you know? So, we're going to take a look tonight. Alright, looking at the lobster. See? Alright, just all the good tips of season on them. Yeah. See fish them, huh? Season up so make your fish them go on soak, some season go on soaking at them same way. Yeah man, so soon get back to you guys. So stay tuned. Alright. So yes guys, here we are going on. Come on. So, part of me tell you say, left out, yeah man, and curry part. That me I go do, you know. My lobster, them are going at this, you understand? So, curry, french fry, lobster, that I go on. You understand? That I go on. That I go on. Alright, so just stay tuned, guys. Wait for it. Soon come. Or yourself, man. Match up a plate for you. What you say? Alright. Yeah, man. Blessings. Yes, guys, the hail hot. So guess what now? I get fish in that. Mm-hmm. There you go. Hot. Right? Right, hot. Mm-hmm. So, yeah, man. Get some fish. Right. Mm-hmm. How now look like when you want to make french fry when I fish so. Alright. When your french fry one, you're going to make it stay till last. You understand, guys? Because you don't want the flour, you know, say flour go let some stuff in the oil. So I see everyone to last curry french fry fish. Alright? Yeah, man. So stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys. Now I them fry two dry now, guys. You don't know. Now them stuff out. Come on, today. My turn. And then my turn. Then I fry well. And then my turn. Then I fry good. Yes. Frying good. Stay tuned, it will fry good. Yes, guys. Yeah, man. You got one hand towel long already. See that? So you know the hand towel up here. Yeah, man. Take away the hair. Yeah, son. So. Yes, guys. See there? Nice fish, not too. Lovely. Alright, guys, you know, stay tuned. See there? Them fry nice, not true. They look good, not true. See there? They look good. You don't want one? Take one, man. Take one. Take one, no? Take one, no? Alright, you take too long to take one. But me still save one for you, though. Alright? So, yes, guys. What you know? See there? Yeah, man, the curry french fry when I fish. I do curry french fry when I fish. You want to see there? Everything actually, yeah, man. So, let's see my eye there now. And then look at this one, this. And this one, look. See? Yeah. Curry french fry fish. Man, I tell you, I will do one, man. I couldn't see. Yeah. So, you know, after that, after time, you know, the truth. So I go and get lobster at the same time in our flour. Come on. Lobster in our flour. Oh, yo. Yeah, man. So. Guys, we got one gimbal, but we not set up yet. You understand? So, if we set up, you know, it are more accurate for me. They are move around. And you can see everything that I do. But, what I said, guys, soon set up it. Yeah, man, soon set up it, man. See there? Yeah. What about roll? Yeah, man, that's right. Right, guys, so the first look good with the curry or fried pan. Now, one of them should I, all of them should I do so. I wonder if I order them, they should do so. Trust me. I know like my fry nice. Yes, guys. Yeah, man. That's that. Yeah. Yo, curry french fry, lobster. Teal. Curry french fry, lobster teal, guys. That may have matched up in idea. Dry fish. Only one was a third abang, not two guys. Eh? Okay. Yeah. Eat and all, guys. That's it. Oh man, mau looking at us here. Come on, look, look, man. Go look. Me not so bad, man. Me not so bad, man. Look good, not true. Me not so bad, man. Pretty. Pretty man. Pretty. So yes guys, ready to get them out there now? Yes man, guys. Don't want them bone, you don't want them fry no browner than this my guys. See? Yeah. Yeah man. Oh, looking good. Let me share more. I know me as a share more. Right, I'm not gonna share more guys. Alright, you know we don't fry still. Still salad off. And I get into the salad for them. Oh salad. Yeah. We're in a pong again guys, a beer rain, you know. Oh, we're in active man. Tell them. We're in out there. We're in today guys, we're in beer rain, it's beer. Beer rain. Alright guys, come. Let's go man. Get them out, man. Now make a look so. Looking at it, looking at it. Oh look. Yeah, one of a french fried chicken, that's true. Oh look. If you have french fried chicken leg. Me chicken no man. Curry french fried lobster. Oh better than that. Too sweet to beat man. No, stay tuned guys. This guy see there? Pickle cut up everything, not true. Look good, not true. Yeah man, so I'm pickle that. Yeah. So alright, you all going on. Yeah man. Now get the stove light. Vinegar already in the pot already. You understand? I don't know. And then the pickle them are going there. So stay tuned guys. So yes guys, see there? Yeah man. Fire light. Vinegar enough. Yeah man. Get in the pickle them. Yeah. Get in the pickle. Pickle in that. Man, I don't know what I'm going to say, man. I mean, I don't want to look this fret for. No fret, man. No fret to do things you are going. Yes, no, man. Yeah. So, guess what, guys? I have one little something left in the night, you know. One little teeny something left in the night. In night. Because when Rafi say, I eat that, not true. When Rafi say, you make the pickle on those. The pepper, the onion, and the carrot, and the vinegar. No, I got one little something, one little something put night. So I'm stay tuned, watch what I'm going. Alright guys, remember a little something when I say if you go night, see ya, one little tip of sugar. One little tip of sugar. You understand? That's it. You don't need no more than that. You don't need no one little tip of sugar in it. Alright? Yeah man, look and try and tell me still. One little tip of sugar in it. And then we left this now. Make it on there and go and germinate. Alright? So in next 24 hours, when you done germinate, guys, voila! Yeah! Next 24 hours. So I just sit back, go and watch the commercial them. Go and watch the ads them, man. Go and watch the ads them. Yeah, man. Big up you. Aye. Like how me a big up you. Alright, guys. So yes, guys. Yeah, man. See there? The pickle done. Sort out. So time to get the pickle. Yeah. And fish. Guys. You see? The pickle. The pepper. Hot in a pickle, you know? That's so good. I don't know what I need. Oh, come on, that's it. Pepper feeling like still. Jangan ngajak mari kita itu. Oh, apa ni? Ini sih lihat ni. Mana lah sekarang? Sana, aku buat cuma buat itu. Oh, balik. Nah, dapat itu balik. Nah, itu cuma cara wata. Ini gak apa-apa balik. Yeah. Kenapa itu orang doon na? Kenapa sih? Aktif guys. Memang aktif kitchennya. Aktif banget. That's that. Alright guys, now go walk up and I'll make a seaside until we want to think. Yeah man, see there. I lobster this, you know. Look good, not true. Come on, lobster look good. Alright, come on, take a look up on the fish now. Beautiful, not true. Can't better than that, not true. Can't better than that. Curry, French fry, lobster tail. Yeah man. That of evening. Yes guys. Yeah man. So that of evening guys. Curry, French fry, lobster tail with fried fish. Can't nice and that, not true. Yeah man. Alright, so yes guys, the guests them arrive. See there?
Come then I get one ton of fish. No, don't put a finger in it. Pepper.
Hot, bonio.
So then I think I'll do.
Hey, what? Remember I say I look about this something food, you know, me supposed to think. So me if you find fat, what do?
See the marfat, you let me the marfat.
Fat there man.
See the marfat.
Yeah, they are fast in it too. Yes, guys. Guys, look at this. See, they have fish too. They have.
You get the curry. Oh, it's a curry French fry lobster.
Yeah.
It's for beach fish. Father Jesus.
Yeah.
You didn't say bless this offering.
Where offering there?
No, this is no offering.
I know offering that. I food that.
So much cockroaches if I need fish.
Where cockroach is there? Eh?
The man. Me want to give up my first figure, you know.
I will keep the water near. Kami nino sa pepper hot.
Tell the people bye-bye. Yeah, them and it tastes good. Yeah, alright.
But what?
Thank you very much. And God bless you.
Me not get none, you know?
Hey, and you're about to push mouth, hmm? You're brave. People every day beg them and cook for me. I complain. Can't this and can't that. Tired of cooking now.
So, you cook for me, me cook every day, you know? Me cook every single day.
What is it about me? The lady will sell me the cup and the plate right there and I me chop out and me pen. Big up you. So your husband, you can't watch a TV say cause your husband. Every day you get up watch Jonah Lifestyle and Short Man. A phone affair use. Big up you.
Alright. So, yes, guys, look, so, you imagine, I really want pan of fish. You go eat that. What's up with food?
Me a ball. 2 peas there so. Yeah. Pig tail and chicken foot. Yes, me craving.
So, man, say, can take one plate
No.
and take out few food outside.
No.
Few fish outside otherwise. Eh?
No.
So, alright, guys. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Yes, guys.
Please
Big up you.
like, share, subscribe and leave a comment. Big up you.
Alright, so.
Yellow.
Yeah, man. Me
Big
I
up,
call
man.
yellow, but yellow. Me like in zone out. Through whole rain. Like in zone out, guys. So me I call him up and I get him phone. So, yeah, we're going on, guys. Big up you. Catching our next adventure. Short man, little dragon. Out for now.
Tell them tata. You know.
Tata. Tata.
Tell them tata. Tummy time.
Tata.
Tell them tata. Tata.
Tata.